think I found a great portable weatherproof speaker that sells for half the price of another brand. What is it? It's the TOZO PE1. I've been using this small yet surprisingly powerful speaker for the last month on picnics, in the backyard whilst cooking up a barbie, or whilst having dinner with friends and family. You could even use it at work and set music from your PC or your phone, and you can even make and receive phone calls on it. Through your Bluetooth, of course. Now, can I say that I'm impressed? Yeah, I am, but I wasn't paid to say any of this. This small little unit is only 9 by 9 centimeters, and the handle is a bit under 4 centimeters, about 3.5 centimeters or so. There's a 10 watt, 43.5 millimeter speaker in there, and it sounds pretty good. Let me give you a demo.
Kind of love, a love to last.
Pretty good, right? Now, TOZO claims that this little unit has up to 32 hours of battery life. Now, I have tried to test this and failed. I did several attempts, about 2, 3, 4 hours each. Got a bit bored because I was thinking I'm not killing the battery very well. And so then I ran it overnight and it still had about 40% battery left. So I think running at about 60%, which is what I did, you're easily going to get 20, maybe even 30 hours, maybe 32. I don't know what the volume setting was on. Easy to live with because with this USB-C connection here, you can charge it in as little as 3 hours and you're ready to keep going again. So very impressive. It's IPX8 rated. So for the demonstration purposes, I hadn't done this before and this is now the second time I've done it. You can actually get this fully submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. You might have that one clumsy friend who spills her water. You might take it out on a picnic and it rains on you. Nothing worse, is there? So at least you know that this thing is actually going to be completely fine. Other cool features I like about this TOZO PE1 unit is that it's got this little hook that means you can do carabiner style on your bag, say, or rucksack, whatever you're maybe carrying this to. Controls on the side, you've got play, pause, Bluetooth link button, as well as volume up and down. And they've got a secondary function mostly, so play and pause, as well as answer and hang up, as well as next track and previous track. So yeah, pretty good suite of features, I think. It's got a 12 to 18 month warranty, which I think you get that longer warranty by signing up to the app. And in the app, it's got a few different features you might like. Well, one I did definitely. It's got an EQ in there, so you can actually modify the sound to suit your ears. There's other users, you can check out what they've done. Plus there's a white noise library with more than 2,000 different sounds. So if you're thinking, maybe I'll use it in the kids' room at night time to help them fall asleep. Yeah, it's good for that too. It's got Bluetooth 5.4, that means it's got a good strong connection and you can get a good decent range between you and it. And because it's 5.4, you can actually connect two devices to it at once. And this, you can actually connect to another TOZO PE1 to get a stereo effect, and that'll increase the quality of the sound, the volume of the sound. And look, this is already pretty good, it sounds very good. And I imagine that would sound even better. And right now, I'm seeing for like $41, check the link down below, because this is a bargain and is half the price of its next nearest competitor. And sure, I'll send it for free to review it. I haven't been paid to send any of this, but I'm keeping mine. I am, it's really quite good. So yeah, thanks to TOZO for sending this out and sharing it with me. I think, yeah, definitely a good purchase.